Hey there, welcome back to It's Your Move, where we talk about all things real estate. Let's talk about the rooms in your home. Which ones get used the most? Which ones are most important, not only to you, but to a buyer if you're planning on selling your home. So, if you're going to spend the money to renovate or redecorate, make sure you're thinking about which ones are most important, where you spend your most time. The home really is a sanctuary, and we spend most of our time there. Really, if you're not at work, you're probably at home. Each room has its own unique purpose and appeal, but some rooms do stand out more than others. So let's explore the most used rooms in your home. Of course, at number one is going to be the kitchen. No doubt the kitchen is the heart of the home and is considered the most used room in the home. It's where we prepare meals and we share meals. We make it the gathering place for family and friends. The kitchen is also a place where we create memories, where we experiment with recipes, and where we share laughter. You may choose to remodel your kitchen and make it more functional and stylish for you, which makes it a great investment for not only you, but a better investment for someone who's considering buying the home. So it makes it more appealing in that way. How about your living room? The living room is considered the second most used room in the house. And it's a space where we relax, we entertain, we watch TV, we kind of can just relax. It's also a space where we showcase our personal style and creativity through home decor and furniture. So many homeowners invest in comfortable seating, which is nice if you want to sit and watch TV, stylish coffee tables and cozy rugs, and this all makes the living room more comfortable and a more inviting space. So living room is the second most used room. How about the bedroom? The bedroom is where we recharge and rest, making it a crucial room in the home. A comfortable bed, soft linens, and cozy pillows are all essential elements to making the bedroom a relaxing space. So the bedroom is also where we store our clothes and our personal belongings. This makes it a functional room as well as a personal sanctuary. So you want to set up this personal sanctuary to where you can rest and relax and recharge in your own way that's best for you, as well as having a place for you to store your personal things. So make sure you keep that bedroom your sanctuary. Bathrooms. Everybody needs a bathroom, right? The bathroom is a place where we normally start and end our day. It makes it an essential room, right? So a well-designed and functional bathroom can make a big difference in our daily routine because we normally all need to go there, right? For one reason or another. Many homeowners will invest in stylish tiles, modern fixtures, and spacious storage to make the bathroom a more relaxing and functional space. So we do spend some time in the bathroom. Doesn't hurt to spend some money in there. Who doesn't like more modern fixtures in there too, and fancy tiles in any part of the house, really. So how about a home office? With more people working remotely, the home office has become more and more an important room in the home. So it's a place where we work, we study, and we manage our personal finances. I mean, that's an important room, wouldn't you say? A well-designed home office can enhance productivity and creativity, making it a great investment to your home and to yourself. So make sure that you pay attention to that time you spend in your home office. It's not just a place to store things and store all your files. I mean, you do important things there, very important things. So as you can see, each room has a unique purpose and plays a special role in our daily routine, and investing in these rooms can improve the quality of your life and add value to your home. So when you're considering these things for yourself, when you're redecorating, renovating, or planning to sell a home, keep those rooms in mind when you're planning all of these things. So I hope you got a lot out of this. Have a great day. See you on the next video. And remember, it's your move.